Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the ATS rear entry manual ramp. Go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the lift gate. You will then need to unlatch it from these two sides. Then you can bring it straight down. So this ramp here is going to be 34 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 58 inches. As we make our way inside, this is going to be a full cut conversion. And in the middle, you will have two chairs which are stationary. And this van here only has 47,000 miles. Go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You'll need to make sure you lock it in its spot and close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 47,000 miles. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.